Hi everybody, my name is Ann-Sophie Gagnon and I am 19 years old. I will study nursing care next semester at Trois-Rivières. I still haven't started yet, but I am really excited about it. Although, after my high school graduation, I have been studying social science for a year, and I also have been studying a year in radiation oncology. The program of nursing care is about determining the health of a person and assuring the realization of its plan of care. Moreover, I will intervene with children, with adults, and with elderly. Furthermore, in my classes I will have simulations with plastic dummies of high fidelity from this first session to improve myself. Besides, I will teach methods of prevention of the disease to a patient and to their close friends. In every situation, I will have the duty to be there and to promote health and security. And that's why I choose a website that you can have access everywhere. The name of the website is rxlist.com. For example, you are in a vacancy and someone in the hotel asks for a nurse help. So you can't put your knowledge aside and you don't hesitate a second. You will help the person in need. The person in need told me his symptoms and they are vague. Then I grab my phone and I go on this website. I wrote in the address bar my URL. I click enter on my keyboard and the page appears. First of all, at the top of the screen in the middle, you can find the navigation menu. You have a drug list A to Z, a pill identifier, a supplement button, a symptoms checker, a disease button, a dictionary button, and a media button. What is important for us is the symptoms checker. I click on the symptoms checker button and this page appears. In the middle of the screen, I can read the instruction and click on this arrow. So it's for someone else. He is a male. His age is between 25 and 34. And after, I click on the submit button. Then, the step 1 is to choose the area on the body where the pain is located. The person in need told me that his area was his neck. So I click on it. And the symptoms are beside the body in the middle of the screen. With what he told me before, I click the stiff neck, and the noisy breathing. I also click on the button pain and discomfort. But when I click on the first two symptoms, some possible conditions appear on the right-hand side of the screen. So it could be asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and other possibilities. Plus, they are graduated in common order. On the other hand, When I click on the last button, pain or discomfort, this text area appears. So, the website sends us a warning. If you are experiencing pain in your neck, please seek emergency medical button. Attention! After I click on Red X, we answer to the 6 questions that the website asks us. We choose the right answer for every question, but during the survey, the website sends us the same message. Subsequently, in the end, I told him to go to the hospital for his own security, and he listens me. Finally, the next morning, he calls at the hotel, and the receptionist told me that we made the right choice when we sent him at the hospital, because his case was really severe. Furthermore, in the top right corner of the screen, you can print our page and you have the choice between print doctor's report or print your symptoms report. Also, you have a button Start Over. But if it were only asthma, you could click on the link and this page will appear. In the middle of the screen, you have all the information about it. You have other symptoms, the overview of asthma, what to expect, how common, treatment, self-care, made worse by, when to see your doctor, questions to ask your doctor, diagnosed by, and risk factors. Plus, on the right-hand side of the screen, you have facts about asthma. I hope this website will become a go-to for person in need, because it really helps people to determine the gravity of their case. Finally, to close your page, you just need to click on the red button on the left corner of the screen. Thank you for your listening.